Welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Calvindela, a Fiverr freelancer with over 5 years of experience. So today we are going to learn how to remove watermarks from both pictures and videos using two simple free ways that you don't have to pay for. So in this one, we are going to use two different sites, which I will attach the links to both sites in the description. You don't have to go and search for it. You just have to click it and then you move on. So the first thing we're going to learn is how to remove watermarks from pictures. So for that, we are going to need this site right here called CapCut AI. That's the site we are going to use to remove the watermarks from pictures. You have 4 options when you open the site. You have 4 options: background, retouch, expand, upscale. I will explain what each of them do. Background is like you want to remove the background from the picture. So that's why I'm going to use that one for if you want to remove the background of a picture. Retouch is what we are going to be using for this tutorial. Retouch is for removing let's say you want to remove a text, a watermark, or someone else from the from the picture, and you use retouch. Expand is for expanding the image. So you have an image, maybe the image is in 1:1 ratio and you want the image to be in 16:9 ratio, so you use the expand to expand the image. And finally, upscale, you know what it does, just to upscale the image. So we're going to be using retouch for this. So then you you will import your image. This is the image you are going to use. We are going to be removing this watermark right here. So this one is best for like stock pictures that they have watermarks on. You can just use this site to take off the watermark for free. So you just reduce the brush size so it's not too big, and you just highlight it and you hit on erase. And then you wait, and just like that, it's gone. You have removed the watermark and you can download it for free without having to pay anything. For free. So we went from this picture to this picture. Remember, the watermark was here, so we went from this picture to this picture. We have been able to remove the watermark from the picture. The other thing we're going to do is remove the watermark from a video. So for that one, we are going to use a different site called 123 apps. I'll also attach the link down in the description. So you go and open, you go to this site, open file, and you attach your video, you upload the video, and by default it's going to take you here. So then you select the area where the watermark is. For this video, the watermark is in this area, so you just go on and select it right here, and then you hit apply, and just like that, the watermark for the video too is gone. You can preview the video to make sure. You can see that the watermark has been removed very, very well, and you can also go on and download it. So in this video, we have learned how to remove watermark from both pictures and videos. If you want to see more tutorials like this, you have to hit the subscribe button and the like button, and also comment down what you want to learn. I have my socials here at this site. You can contact me for further explanations on video editing lessons or anything else at all about CapCut video editing or video editing in general. So until next time.